Hey guys, so today I am going to show you how to set up a party in your back office. Now it's really important to get these parties set up because you want to be able to put people's orders in, obviously. You want your hostesses to get credit for it, but if you have the website subscription, that also enables your hostesses' friends to go on and place their own parties. So you're already logged into 31today.com, and up here you're going to see virtual office, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on this virtual office, and it opened up a secondary tab, and now this is your ordering screen where you do all of your ordering. So over here across the top you're going to see multiple items and multiple decisions to make. You've got parties right here, you have orders, incentives, your contacts, which are your customers, and any reports that may show you like commissions or things. We're going to work on the parties today, so you're going to click on that party, and what you're going to do is you're going to come in here and you are going to click the new party link right here. And then you're going to type in your customer or your hostess's information. And since I don't do a lot of the invitations that they send out, I have to admit that I don't put anything in this party description. So you can put something in there, you can leave it blank, whatever you decide to do is up to you. Down here you're going to choose which type of party this is. So is it a fundraiser, a vendor event, an online event? So we're just going to say it's an online event. And then you're going to choose a closing date. So we're going to close it, let's say, on the 29th of March. And so this information right here is what is going to be shown on your website. This information over here is for shipping purposes, and so they know who is hosting the party. So you're going to come in here and you're going to type in the information that it needs for your hostess. Okay, .com, not comma, 3, 2, 1. Okay. All right, and then you're going to see that it populates everything. And once you have all that information in, you can come down here to the Save and Continue, and you can click that. This is a lovely screen that I keep on getting all the time. So let me, because I've used this email for a couple of different things. So we're going to type that in there. Okay. So here is your party information. Okay. So it says it's an online party. This is the date you're closing. This is where it's going to say party ship selection. You can ship it to the hostess, or you can ship it to the consultant. It's entirely up to you how you want to do that. It's the tax rate of where it's going. So my tax rate is 7%. And then this little box right here, if you are subscribing to our website and you want your customers to be able to find those parties for their hostesses, you need to have this box checked. You can scroll down here and see there's the name that's going to be shown on the website. If you populated this information and said something about the party, then you can actually put that there. And then right here is your party link. Now, if I right click on that, you can see that it brings up this little box right here. And I can actually copy link address, and I can paste this anywhere, share it with my hostess, do anything like that so that she has access to that. Now, if I changed anything in here, I want to make sure that I go down and hit Save and Update so that I do not lose any of my information. So that's how you set up a party. If you need to change any of the hostess information, you can click on this right here, and you can see that there's different information that you can change if you need to do that. But again, if you're going to change, you need to hit that Save and Update button so that it saves the information in the system. So I am going to come back with a different video on how to put orders in and how to take care of all of that so that way you guys can see that as well. So talk to you later. Bye.